हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको ऑफ ट्रुथ बाय फ्रांसिस बेकन 1561 टू 1526 के एक्सप्लेनेशन के बारे में बताएंगे। फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज ट्रुथ से लेकर द एंशिएंट। रेफरेंस, दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द फेमस एसे ऑफ ट्रुथ रिटन बाय फ्रांसिस बेकन। कॉन्टेक्स्ट, in this lesson, the writer describes the importance of truth in human life. He points out how truth is being neglected by the people of this world. He also describes the role of lie in human life. So, the writer describes the value of truth in the world. Explanation. First of all, the writer gives an example of Plato, who was a thinker and the ancient Roman governor of Judea. Plato was not much interested in knowing the meaning of truth. The writer comments that there are certain people who feel pleasure in lie and they frequently change their opinion. They think that it is bondage to have any fixed belief, so they were in favor of free will in thought and in action. In ancient Greece, there was a group of philosophers who believed in free will. These philosophers were in favor of lie and they argued in favor of it. But now these philosophers are no more. At present, there are some other talk active with who also believe in free will, but these modern thinkers do not have so much courage as the ancient thinker. नेक्स्ट, बट इट इज नॉट से लेकर लाइस सेक। रेफरेंस सेम है, कॉन्टेक्स्ट सेम है। एक्सप्लेनेशन, द राइटर सेज दैट इफ ए पर्सन वांट्स टू डिस्कवर truth, he will have to face difficulty and he will have to do hard labor. When the truth is discovered, it acts as a kind of restraint upon the man because they cannot change their belief. There are some people who take the help of lie without any clear cause. The writer says that human beings are attracted by lies. There are the poets who also use lies in their poetry. The fact is that lies told by the poets in their poetry are certainly the source of pleasure. The businessmen also use lie because with help of lie they earn money, but there are certain people who tell lie without any clear cause, but they tell a lie for the sake of lie. नेक्स्ट है, बट आई कैन नॉट से लेके एड प्लेजर। रेफरेंस, कॉन्टेक्स्ट सेम है। एक्सप्लेनेशन, द राइटर सेज दैट ट्रुथ इज लाइक द क्लियर डे लाइट इन which the things are seen very clearly. They are seen as they actually are. Lies are like the candle lights in which the same things become more attractive, but truth gives much pleasure when a lie has been added to it. The writer says that if false opinion, false hopes and false judgments are neglected from the life of man, his life would become miserable because these false opinions keep him happy. So the writer points out that lie gives people a strange kind of pleasure. नेक्स्ट है, दोथ एनी मैन से लेकर ऑफ बिफोर तक। रेफरेंस, कॉन्टेक्स्ट सेम है। एक्सप्लेनेशन, द राइटर एडमिट्स दैट फॉल्स होप्स एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लाई गिव द ह्यूमन बीइंग स्ट्रेंज काइंड ऑफ प्लेजर. देयरफॉर इफ these false hopes and different types of lies are neglected from human life, that life will become miserable and full of melancholy thoughts. That person will feel perfect dejection in his life. In this regard, the writer presents the opinion of a great thinker, Augustine. Augustine points out with great force that poetry is the bane of the devil. He comments that poetry is based on lies because it gives us imagination. Even then, the lie of poetry is not harmful because the lie of poetry passes through our mind. On the other hand, that lie is harmful for us, which settle in our mind permanently, so the life of poetry is harmless. नेक्स्ट, बट हाउसएवर से लेके ह्यूमन नेचर तक, रेफरेंस कॉन्टेक्स्ट सेम एक्सप्लेनेशन, द राइटर डिस्क्राइब द वैल्यू ऑफ ट्रूथ, ही सेज दैट those who do not understand truth commit many mistakes in their life. On the other hand, those who understand truth realize the value of truth. Truth is the supreme good for human being. He further comments that the inquiry of truth may be described as the loving of it. The knowledge of truth may be described as the presence of it. At last, the writer says that the belief of truth may be described as the enjoying of it. Therefore, truth is always supreme good for human nature. Next, the first creature से लेके his choosing, reference context same explanation. The writer comments that the first thing that God created was the light of knowledge, and the last thing that he created the power of bit. After completing the work of creation, God did very important work at the time of his rest. He created the light of his spirit and breathed this light upon the matter of the universe. Then he breathed the light upon the face of man. This divine light is known as truth. At last, the writer says that God has always been breathing this divine light into the faces of those whom he loves and who love him. Next, the poet that से लेके poles of truth तक, reference context same है, explanation. The writer remembers a famous thinker and poet, Lucretius. Lucretius described the importance of truth very beautifully. He points out that when a person stands upon the seashore and sees the ships going in the sea, that person feels great pleasure. When a person stands at the window of the castle and sees the battle from there, that person also enjoys great pleasure. But the person who stands on the ground of truth and sees the whole world from there, that person enjoys supreme pleasure. Standing on the ground of truth, that person can understand the common mistake, aimless wandering, the doubt and suffering of human life. After seeing the whole world from the ground of truth, that person will feel pity for the whole mankind and he will not feel false fright. At last, the writer says that when a person stands on the ground of truth and he feels pity for the whole mankind, this state is called heaven. Next है to pass from से लेकर from man, reference context same है, explanation. The writer comments that even those people who do not practice truth know the fact that truthful person deserves for great respect. This fact can be seen from the truth of religion and philosophy, of the truth of routine life. The mixture of truth with lie is like the mixture of gold and silver. The mixture of gold and silver makes the metal very charming, but the value of that metal lower. Those people who are depend upon the falsehood are like the serpent, because the serpent goes upon its belly, not upon its feet. When a person is found false and treacherous, that person feels the greatest shame. Montaigne, a French thinker, pointed out that in telling a lie, a man is brave towards God but a coward towards his fellow man. Next, surely the से लेकर upon the earth तक, reference context same है, explanation. The writer comments that the bigness of falsehood cannot be expressed easily. It is sure on doomsday this subject will be outstanding subject for God. On doomsday, God will realize how the people have become the victim of falsehood in this world. It is also admitted that when God comes on this earth, he will not find the existence of truth in this world. So the writer admits the role of lie in this world. Note: first, Bacon described the subject of truth as a moralist. Second, Bacon's aphoristic style can be noted in this essay. Third, Bacon's practical wisdom is clear in these lines. Thanks, best of luck.